Hi friends, so in this lesson we are going to learn from question number 6, right? Okay friends, so question number 6, check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. So he has given AP friends, so 11 comma 8 comma 5 comma 2 comma so on. Okay friends, so he has given minus 150, we must check whether minus 150 is a term of AP or not. Okay friends, here what is first term friends? Here A is first term, right? What is the first term here? 11. So the value of A is 11. And what is the common difference? Common difference will be always A2 minus A1, right? Already you know that it is A2 minus A1. Here what is A2? Second term, right? So second term is 8 minus first term. First term is 11. So 8 minus 11 is minus 3, right? So common difference D is equals to minus 3 friends. So we have first term A is equals to 11 and common difference D is equals to minus 3. But our target is to find whether minus 150 is a term of AP or not. Okay friends. So we don't know which term is AP, right? So whenever we find the word term, use the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay friends, already we have learned this, right? So whenever we find the word term, we must use this formula. Here what is AN friends? So term, which term we don't know, but he has given the value, right? He has given the value AN is equals to minus 150, right? He has given AN is equals to minus 150. We don't know which term it is, right? So instead of AN, write minus 150. So minus 150 is equal to, what is A value friends? A is 11, right? So I am writing 11 plus N. So N we don't know. I am writing N as it is minus D. D is common difference, right? So common difference D is equals to minus 3. Okay friends. So here minus 150 is equals to 11. So plus into minus, minus 3 into N will be 3N. Minus into minus, right? Plus 3 ones are 3. Okay friends. So finally we got minus 150 is equal to, so 11 plus 3 friends. 11 plus 3 will be 14, right? So 14 minus 3n. So I am writing 3n as it is. So I am moving this 14 to this side. So it will become minus 14, right? So 150 minus 14 is equal to minus 3n. Okay friends. So what is minus 150 minus 14? Minus into minus will be plus. So 150 plus 14 will be 164. But we have minus. So I am putting minus is equals to minus 3n. Okay friends. So this minus and this minus get cancelled. And finally we have 164 is equals to 3n. So we want the value of n. So I am writing n. So n is equals to, I am moving 3 to this side. So it will becomes divide 164 divided by 3. Okay friends. Now check whether 164 is divisible by 3 or not. Here 3 ones are 3, right? So 3 5s are 15 and we have 14. 14 means 3 4s are 12 point. So something, right? So it is 164 is not divisible by 3. Okay friends. So 164 is not divisible by 3. Here I am writing the reason. Since 164 is not divisible by 3. Okay friends. We must know exactly, right? So we have 54 point or something, right? Like that. But we don't know the exact value. Either it is 50th term or 16th term or 56th term or, right? So we don't know exactly. So that is the reason. So minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Okay friends. Of a given AP. Because we don't know the exact value of n, right? It is 54 point something. But we do not have, right? So 1.2 term or 1.3 term like that. So here we are getting the value 54 point something. That means it is not exactly which term it is. So that is the reason I have written minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Okay friends, so let me move on to the question number 7. So find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay friends, so he has given 11th term and 16th term, but he is asking us to find 31st term. Okay friends, so first write whatever the data which he has given. So he has given 11th term friends, so that is A11 is equals to 38, and also he has given 16th term, that means A16 is equals to 73, and he is asking us to find 31st term, so that means A31 is equals to question mark. Okay friends, hope you understood. So write the data. So he has given 11th term as 38, so 16th term as 73. Okay friends, so whenever we find the word term, so then definitely we must use the formula, right? So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So this is the formula we are regularly using in this exercise, right? So whenever we find the word term, so then definitely we must use the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we don't know what is the value of a and what is the value of d, right? But we know which term. So an means that is a11 is equals to 38, a16 is equals to 73, right? So okay friends, so that is the reason I am writing. So an, but he has given 11th term, right? So a11 is equals to a plus, here n means 11th term, right? So 11 minus 1 into d. Okay friends, hope you understood. He has given 11th term, that means a11 is equals to a plus n minus 1, that means 11 minus 1 into d. So this will becomes, so what is the value of a11 friends? 38, right? So 38 is equals to a plus, so 11 minus 1 will be 10 into d. So finally a is equals to 38 minus 10d. Okay friends, so I have moved 10d to this side, so it will becomes minus, so it will become 38 minus 10d. So make it as equation 1 friends, make it as equation 1. So now 16th term, right? So a16, that means, okay, first write the formula. A16 is equals to a plus 16 minus 1 into d. Okay friends, so it will becomes a16 is equals to a plus 16 minus 1 will be 15, right? Okay friends, so what is the value of a16? 73. So 73 is equals to a plus 15 d. Okay, so now a is equals to 73 minus 15d. Okay friends, hope you understood. I have moved minus 15d to this side, so it will becomes minus, so let it be equation 2. Okay friends, see friends, here a is equals to some value in the equation 1, and equation 2 a is equals to some value, that means both are here, right? So since 1 and 2 are equal, 1 and 2 are equal, so now equate. So that means 38 minus 10d, right? So 38 minus 10d is equals to 73 minus 15d. Okay friends, hope you understood. Here it is a value and here also it is a value, so both are equal, right? So that is the reason I have written 38 minus 10d is equals to 73 minus 15d. So now I am moving d to this side and 38 to that side, so it will becomes minus 15, moving to this side will becomes plus 15d minus 10d is equals to 73. So this 38 moving to that side, it will becomes, so minus 38. Okay friends, so 15d minus 10d will be 5d is equals to 73 minus 38 friends. So 73 minus 38, so 13 minus 8 will be 6, right? Sorry, 5. 13 minus 8 will be 5. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. So 5d is equals to 35. That means d is equals to 7. Okay friends, so 35 by 5 will be 5 ones are 5 7. Finally we got the common difference, d is equals to 7. Okay friends, now substitute d is equals to 7 in equation 1. Okay friends, now substitute d is equals to 7 in equation 1. So what is equation 1 friends? A is equals to 38 minus 10d, right? So what is the value of A? We don't know. A is equals to 38 minus 10 into d friends. What is the value of d? 7, right? So 38 minus 10 sevens are 70. A is equals to 38 minus 70. So what is 38 minus 70 friends? So 38 minus 70 will be minus 32, right? Okay friends, 38 minus 70 will be minus 32. See friends, we have got the value of d and a as well as, right? So with the help of a and d we can find the value of 31st term, right? Okay friends, so finally a31 is equals to a plus 31 minus 1 into d friends. So a31 we don't know. What is the value of a friends? Minus 32, right? So minus 32. 31 minus 1 will be 30. D is 7, right? So minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21. So 30 into 7 will be 210. Finally 210 minus 32 friends. So 210 minus 32. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. And 10 minus 3 will be 7, right? Okay friends, so finally the value of A31 is equals to 178. Okay friends, hope you understood. Finally the 31st term is equals to 178. So nothing we have did. So write 11th term, that means in the formula A11 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. So he has given A11 38. So write as it is. Now we will get in terms of A friends. So A is equals to 38 minus 10D. So similarly for the 16th term we will get A is equals to 73 minus 15D. So since 1 and 2 are equal, so whenever we are equating these two we will get the D value as 7. So once we know the value of D, substitute this D value in equation 1. So it will becomes 38 minus 10 into D. After calculating you will get A is equals to minus 32. So whenever you know the value of A and D, then it is going to easy to find the 31st term, right? So A31 is equals to A plus 31 minus 1 into D. So by substituting the values of A and D, you will get the 31st term as 170.